Okay, so we will put the wipers on my Subaru XV. As you can see, these are the old wipers. They are already completely corrupted. As you can see, very old. Now we are going to replace it with new wipers. First we will remove the old wiper, the 16-inch wiper. It is the small one on the right side. So in order to remove it, we will press here, and then this holder opens, and then we will simply slide it outside. That's it. That's the old wiper. Now over here we have the new 16-inch Bosch wiper, and as you can see, in order to connect it, I will first remove this piece. It's broken, so it doesn't open like this, but that should be fine. You will see later on when I connect it how I can simply slide the piece of plastic and it will hold the wiper in place. So let's connect it. It's very simple. I'm gonna take this edge of the wiper, I'm going to slide it in. That's it. Now I'm going to put back the piece of plastic, even though it's broken. That's okay. That's it. The wiper is connected. As you can see, this is the old wiper of the 26-inch. You can see that it's completely wrecked and needed to be replaced. In order to replace it, we are going to lift the wiper like this. Now we will take the wiper out. We will press here, pull this piece of plastic out, and then we can simply release the wiper. That's it, it's out. Now we will connect the new wiper. As you can see over here, we have to press on this piece in order to lift it, and then we can simply slide in the wiper this way, then close it, and that's it. The wiper is in place. After the wiper is in place, we can just push it back to its place, and that's it. Both of the wipers are successfully replaced. Now let's test that they work properly. We will put some water with soap. Should be put over this place. We will open it. That's it. Now it's full and we can test the wipers. We are at the front of the car. Let's check if the wipers are working properly. For that I'm gonna put some water. As you can see, wipers seems to be working properly. No strange noises and everything looks smooth and clean. So I think we are pretty much done here. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next video. Bye!